This is actually the creamiest keyboard I've ever heard. This is the Ajazz AK35i V3. This is a full-size gasketed keyboard with tri-mode connectivity, so Bluetooth, USB-C, or 2.4 dongle. It's actually hidden right here behind this little foot, and it kind of magnets back down in there. This thing has beautiful RGB options. There's also this volume control knob as well as this super sick little screen. I got this keyboard in their retro color, and it has these pretty cool avocado switches, which probably adds to the cream factor. But now for what you really want to hear, the cream. That's actually insane. You can get this keyboard for around $100, and I would definitely say it's worth it.